I love that. I love that. Hello. Hello. I love it. Hi guys, it's me, Sophia, and
Caleb
from ZippyKnights, and today we are in San Juan, Puerto Rico. As you guys can see, we are all ready to go to the beach, go to the pool, and we will see you guys in 3, 2, 1. We made it! Let's go in the water. All right, come on.
Hey Caleb, who did you draw?
Vader.
Are you gonna write his name? He's pretty cool. Get a good look at him. Yes.
Oh,
So scary. What is he doing? What is he doing? It's a little later now, and we just had dinner, and we have the beautiful city behind us and the water, and we're gonna do a little exploring. Start the montage.
okay. That was pretty far. How are we gonna get back?
Easy, we swim.
What was your favorite part of the Catamaran tour?
Pina colada.
Virgin pina colada.
Yeah.
I have one.
That was your favorite part of the catamaran was the drink?
Yeah. My favorite part was the fruit punch.
The fruit
The
punch.
fruit punch? Are you serious?
Yes.
Not seeing all the cool fish riding
In
on
all
a cool boat.
seriousness, my favorite part was the snorkeling, because it was cool seeing all the coral and stuff.
What else did we see?
Oh, we saw the stingray. I was just following it, trying to get Dad to follow me, but it just kept swimming away. Today we are on the catamaran, and we are going for a day of snorkeling and adventure. Let's go.
Yeah? Are you having fun?
Yes,
Here's our little boat. One of our other excursions was to the fort, and then we went to the chocolate bar.
Yep.
What was your favorite part of El Morro? El Morro.
You go first.
I think it was like going down those like steep stairs.
That was cool, but my favorite was hardcore parkour. Oh,
You
yeah.
saw like a little hermit crab crawling in the fort.
While I was doing parkour. Today we are at the forts in Old San Juan. Yeah, parkour! You stay kill, it's very dangerous. There's an iguana! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Iguana disappeared. Don't know where he went. Wow, Caleb's hardcore parkour. Mom's hardcore parkour. My hardcore parkour.
Why do you think hardcore parkour?
Are you coming?
A hermit crab. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Look at the hermit crab. Where'd he go?
Look, you could only get on the...
There he is. Look at him. Hi, bud.
What's our next challenge, Sophia?
I don't know. We found a bunch of hermit crabs back at the resort. He's so tiny.
I bet that's his home over there.
Here we are heading up the triangular staircase. Head on up, see where the rest of the crew.
After we went to El Morro, we went downtown, Old San Juan, and where did we go to eat?
Chocobar. Yes.
And what was your favorite part there?
The milkshakes. The frozen chocolate drinks.
That's what I was gonna say. That was mine.
Are you good?
I am not okay.
He's high on sugar.
I've not been okay for years.
Sophia, did you find a friend?
Yes.
You know, buddy, we can find some souvenir stuff here. No, you gotta, buddy, you don't take a swing, you're trying to pet it. So you go slow.
So we went to Yunque National Forest, and we started off by getting on the bus, and the bus drove us to this big tower first off, and we had like, what would you guys say, like 20 minutes there? Like 20 minutes, and then we went down and we looked at the waterfall, which was very cool. Then after that, they drove us to some other place where we went hiking up to a little river. And there, how long would you guys say we were there for?
An hour?
An hour?
A little over an hour maybe?
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so we swam there, we jumped off rocks, me and Mom swung? What's English?
Yeah.
We swung off the ropes, which was a lot of fun. And yeah, it was pretty cool. So Caleb,
We all jumped off the lower level.
we all jumped off the lower one, but then I was the only one that had the guts to go on the big one, and it was awesome.